Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Bébé Astuce et Partage. In today's video, me and my girl, we are making some
pepper soup.
So pepper soup with fish. And so now we just cleaning the fish first with some cold water, and we're just gonna put some vinegar as well. So we are still on the stage of cleaning the fish. How do you call that fish again?
They call it in French bossu because of the head.
Oh, okay.
That is big.
Right. We don't know how they call it in English. Sorry. So if you know this fish, please, do you know the name? Let us know on the comment section, please. Thank you.
This is garlic and small ginger, or gingembre in French. This is grind ensemble with white pepper, poivre blanc in French.
Maybe.
We mix everything before putting the pot on the fire.
Yeah,
to make sure that every spices has entered the fish.
Yes. That's the good thing with this, because you can just put everything in once, like one pot together, and then you put
Mix.
it. Yeah.
No water yet.
Now
10 minutes.
10 minutes on a low heat.
After 5 minutes, we are going to check our pot and shake it a bit.
Oh,
Before
I can
adding,
smell.
Before adding some water, not too much. Just to have a small soup.
Yes, it's pepper soup.
Okay, 5 minutes later, our pepper soup is ready. We're going to turn off the gas cook and let it rest a bit for 5 minutes before serving. Appétit! Bon appétit!
Oops.
Okay, time to serve our pepper soup. Time to eat.
Smell yummy.
Small pepper soup.
Who is going to eat the head?
Me, of course.
We're going to eat our pepper soup with some bobolo.
Yes, they call it bâton de manioc.
Yeah, made with cassava. If you know, you know bobolo. This pepper soup is very delicious. With bobolo. Thank you, my girl. It's very delicious, and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.